Good evening and welcome to this Vocera by Riello boiler installation and commissioning webinar.
So I'll start with our latest boiler. On my right is the Vision Plus. The flue is now our click fit. So we have a different flue bend. This is on the flue turret of the boiler, outlet of the boiler. Push the two together, tighten the two bolts, you're done. Main screen, we have three modes: standby, hot water and heating. And that's selected simple with a press of the button. Hot water on its own, hot water and heating, standby again. So what I'll show you first is start on the heat exchanger. This is our stainless steel heat exchanger. We usually use Grundfos pumps, but we've introduced into this UK model our Riello pump head. Standard diverter valve here, and we don't have a low pressure switch on this boiler. We have a pressure transducer.
Okay, next question is from Matthew Redfern. How do you get into the Minmax burn, and does it have a purge cycle for when you first fill up?
On the Vision Plus, yes. One of the nice little save time features on the Vision Plus, when you power up, it will automatically go, like our other boilers, into a 2-minute purge. It won't show up on the camera now, obviously. So you just power up, but there's a button in the middle of the lower three called reset. While it's in purge, first fill, let it do its purge. But subsequently, if you've turned the boiler off and turned it on, it will show you a little display at the bottom saying air purge in progress. Simply press the middle button, reset button on the bottom row of buttons, and it cancels purge. So it's very easy to cancel purge. I'm going to take you through combustion analysis. So if you could bear with me for that, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, this is our Evolve, a similar yet different display. So that's our aluminium radial coil heat exchanger. So it's a large bore, one coil, no joins, no welds. On the Evolve, all the connections are taken into what we call a D subunit. So you can connect your open therm, weather compensation, standard on-off thermostats, condensate pump, etc. into the unit here, and that is plugged into the boiler. There's one already in the boiler here. This is then plugged into the boiler. So making your connections are very easy. This is the platform, which is it's the most popular, the Compact A, 25, 29, and in the Compact A, there's a 32 kilowatt model, 8-litre expansion vessel. This one has the 25 kilowatt heat exchanger. The larger heat exchanger is exactly the same, it's simply 40 mil wider. The same water block, same gas valve as the Vision Plus, same return thermistor, flue thermistor, flow thermistors, automatic air vent.
Matthew Redfern has got a question, silly question. No question is silly, this is quite humorous. But is there a better technique to refit the casing of the compacts instead of just swearing at them?
Yes, and I'll show you it in a few minutes.
There we go.
I'm going to quickly put this on because I'm not going to let Matthew down. He wants to catch me out and see if I can't put the case back on quickly. The case goes on at the top on a hook here and on the other side. The knack I use is to hook one side on first, the other side on, keep the case at an angle and push it down. Voila. How to get the Vision Plus into CO mode. To go into CO mode, I'll show you the procedure, but I won't actually flue gas analyze the boilers. To start the procedure on this boiler, we have a reset and a menu button. Press and hold reset and menu. Boiler starting to fire. Combustion analysis. Now press the plus button on the right to raise the fan speed to absolute maximum. It won't go above the maximum. When you've hit it, press top left to confirm. The boiler will now run at maximum. Take a reading with your analyzer, jot it down. Now drop the fan speed by pressing the minus button on the right to minimum. It won't go beyond minimum because that's preset on the board. Press to confirm. The fan speed will drop down. Take a reading. if you're within 0.2% CO2 percentage, you're done.
Thank you everybody for attending tonight. I think really from us all here at Vicera, thank you very much. We hope you've found it informative. And as always, stay safe, and we hope to see you soon at one of our webinars. So good evening and good night. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.